In fact, as there is a surge in positive cases around the world, people are also waiting for some positive developments in terms of the research which is going on in various countries on coronavirus vaccine. In fact, the race for its cure continues, and in the hunt for COVID vaccine, two drugs have shown some encouraging results in the trial stage. The vaccine being tested by Oxford University in partnership with AstraZeneca is leading in the vaccine race, and phase 3 human trials are currently underway. There is some positive news which is expected to come soon. Now, more than 100 vaccines are being tested as the world is desperately waiting for COVID cure. And apart from the drug which is being developed by Oxford University, researchers in Moderna from United States have also have claimed that their vaccine, in the experiment stage, it suggests that their vaccine showed that it was safe and provoked immune responses in all 45 healthy volunteers. Its phase 3 trial will also begin this month. Let's go back to Hina, my colleague who continues to be with us. Hina, let's also talk about the COVID race. But before that, I believe we have a reaction coming in.
We ought to be careful. We don't want to rush the science. And we all know that developing vaccines is a difficult process. It's not always a straight line. So if everything works well, we can anticipate maybe the beginning of the year, sometime first quarter of the year, we might have some results, and it would be wonderful. But that assumes everything's working right on schedule.
Right now, there is no vaccine for either developing countries or for upper middle income countries or for some high income countries that don't have bilateral deals. We're trying to solve that problem. Now, in solving that problem, what we've basically said is we will make doses available to low-income countries and lower middle-income countries at the same time as upper middle-income and high-income countries. That's the fair thing to do.
So two research that are taking place at this point in time, one at the Oxford University, and the claims that are being made by Moderna Inc. are leading this race for finding a cure to the coronavirus infection. As far as the Oxford University research is concerned, the phase 3 human trials are underway at this point in time, and any time there could be a positive development in terms of the vaccine that is being developed by Oxford University. In fact, more than 100 vaccines are being tested around the world, and the entire world, in fact, is waiting for some positive news on research of the COVID vaccine.